that
will
cook.
Mercury can refer to many things. It's a tiny hot planet, the Roman name for the Greek god Hermes, and it's a cool-looking, highly poisonous metal that happens to be present in large predatory fish such as tuna. This was troubling to me at first because, as you might be able to guess, tuna is the main ingredient for today's video. And when I looked online, it said that roughly 300 grams per week is cool for safe consumption, which is about 2.5 cans worth. Since this recipe calls for 3 cans, I was in a bit of a
tight spot.
But then I recalled the training and scientific literacy that I had received over my many years of forced public schooling, and remembered that if the facts don't fit the theory, just hit the refresh button until you find the facts that do. Better yet, you can bypass the boring research stage altogether by simply disregarding it and doing what you were gonna do anyway. Aside from the deadly tuna, the remaining ingredients in these fish cakes are mostly vegetables. So let's get to chopping. First, we're gonna chop a red wait, what? Did I just have a stroke or something? Okay, let's try again with an orange I'm sorry everybody, this is really embarrassing. Sometimes the editing software gets a little too excited and cuts prematurely. I'm feeling a little insecure cutting these garlic chives, but well, let's see. No. All right, let me try something. Wait, what? That actually works? I'm gonna see how far I can take this. And knife tap. All right. And reverse. Both hands. Whoa, transubstantiation, no way. Then with your newfound god powers, use a single fist strike to chop up your herbs. Look at that. Well, that's not what I wanted. And knife tap. Tap, tap, tap. Well, if your mysterious powers start to crap out on you, just cut your celery up the old-fashioned way. Ah, my old nemesis, grating ginger. How many fingertips I've lost to you over the years. Well, now it's I who have the upper hand. Your fibrousness can be no match for my powers. Ginger tap, ginger snap. Snap, snap, snap. Snap, snap, snap. Both hands. Well, if your ginger turns your omnipotence into impotence, you'll just have to risk your precious fingertips by grating it. Same with the garlic. That can also take your powers away. Then, powerlessly zest a lime to give your fish cakes some citrusy goodness. Add in your drained and strained tuna and give your mix a mix. Then, to season, we're gonna add in some healthy glugs of fish sauce. This stuff tastes amazing, but definitely has a bit of an aroma to it. Woo! Smells like somebody's been jogging. Then, crack in 1 egg, but that's not enough, so crack in 2 more, and mix until incorporated. Then add some rice vinegar to balance out the fish sauce, and about a ½ cup of panko breadcrumbs to absorb all those liquids. This is gonna bind the whole mixture together and it will help your cakes keep their shape. Then, for a final touch, add a small glug of sesame oil for another deep note to hang out alongside the fish sauce. Okay, I lied. This is the last thing. Black pepper. Once your mix has rested for about 20 minutes, just enough time for the breadcrumbs to soak up all those juices, form little patties. You're really going to want to compress them so your cakes have the best possible chance of not falling to pieces in the pan. Bring a high smoke point oil to a shimmer and carefully drop in your patties, flipping them after a minute or 2. Then transfer them to a plate. As you can see, one of mine fell apart, possibly because it had too much tuna in it and it was feeling a little mercurial. So I know we have a lime wedge here in the middle, but this is just for looks. So I'm gonna squeeze this one. There we go, get that all over my eyes. Okay, here we go.
Excuse me. Didn't wash the garnish. It's a little sandy.
We're getting it from both ends here, people. On the top, we've got the freshness of the lime juice, of the cilantro, the green onion, the ginger, caressingly holding hands with the base undercurrents of the fish sauce, the garlic.
The tuna.
These are the cakes that I want at my birthday. If you show up at my party with vanilla, there's the exit. Give me fish sauce. Those are my sprinkles. Well, that's it, I suppose, for my godlike powers. I guess 3 cans was too much after all. And as always, do what you love because nobody cares and it doesn't matter.